nothing in the altar.
Memo being cancer platform ya yejina sui.
Do not let
anybody
tell you.
Say de build you. Say cement near de build you. Semi bejina ha. Ana obia bejina ha. No nyame presence bounce. Presence nimti aha I sanctified. Onyankopon say Moses. Burning bush. Moses. Asasina ujina sono. Enam sa oba be minti. Aha, must sanctify a holy until you now mumpaboa. Even Murem, I muadidi. Burning bush impo. Onyankopon because of Moses. On any babeshi munti. Or say, oh, a holy was sanctify honoma. How much more a solid there?
My God.
I am building platform. No man of God, Jonas will now say there is nothing in that platform. You don't know what you are talking about, Dr. Mensa Otabil, with all respect.
Some people say there are no angels.
Some
people are so carnal.
Angels.
Now some people are so carnally minded and they say that there are no angels and God does not even do anything with angels or through angels.
Into your man of God, not talk angel. Once woman do imagine busa akweda bronya papa. Adentina Christians bebre moye naive to that extent. No. Adusua bebre na moma ye canal. Men can say adusua nyo. But usua de no. Now the spirit account because the letter kill it.
My God.
But the spirit give that life.
You do not have that permission.
So there is power in here. There is presence in here. Until man can't me say platform ni de enya hwe. Altar ni de enya hwe. But me papa Victor say o say anse pagya unsa. Na altar ni mo. No hu frama everybody. Me nua no meto me te say ya to football. Now one can't say there is no power. Our altar mu. Altar no. Any one, I have a friend say, baby, a general friend say, Brofocus and my friend say, stage, stage in any water, and there is no power in it. Dr. Mensa Otabil, with all respect, oh dear, maybe audio hunsa, by had it, enemy spiritual fathers, how dear. Me papa Bishop Kampoku. First time on him share or Bempah mammy. Anointing to me pejam na to me akoto akonwam. Need them hokra or Bempah mammy no. E to me te said yet to ayi tennis ball. Baby nyame ni power bia and nyame sound so bia nyame presence ho. So Dr. Mensa Otabil, with all respect, one some now can dey pacho yabayanka sisansam no na ka bibi foforo. Now next week, and I make up prophetic. Now how na memo who say false teachers or we are dangerous. Actually, false prophets. Don't even can't me say 95% of Ghana prophets are fake. Me prove am na we so boa. Say crowd was say any can so be who vision. But on no who vision. Now no be on my so who say soon e katon man so no enya vision. Or see nyame nyehwe say no e dey Israel. Papa ya respect you. But when you man was start here ne dey. Ya ntra honom say we be lift wo dey. No wa collapse prophetic churches. Na duru time ya wo frɛ cockroaches. Na no bi o say nkrofo mu di adifo achi. O mu ye fools. Papa ya respect you pa. Me say pan kan yesem ye obi a me buade a. Kam so me gina nyame asem so akeka ma gina kyerɛ wo. Ghana ha osofu bia no ma me na nya problem agye obi a osori ti adifo ana obi a obeka me se opese se be wo dia tro to me so se opese o bre me ministry ase ndia me mfa nche wo se ma hu bibi no ma ba beka na pese o kire se dia me kana nya nokre na mfiri nyame ene wo ye hwan me kama dwena kire wo. So o respect your office, miss me respect me office. I appreciate you, dear. No, I'm appreciate me, dear. Church, mema obia and na dance some way. And man now say, any major prophetic church call. Me pacho. Enu nti na me start me man who say move bi aba osori tia second mover eba. Ono di kan ba move bi aba bia osori tia. Sana Pentecostals omu sori tia charismatic. Sana charismatics binum so esori tia prophets. Na altar eni my grandfather Bishop Nicholas Duncan Williams or Danny mene Bishop Salif Amwako. Open church said there is no power there. Open church said there is no power there. Wanna catch them or suffer. And you me who that day. There is power in there. Asorama, you far grown tunche. Memo
So all jokes aside, don't be discouraged.
Men tietie nsem na ya papa Dr. Mensa Otabil kan entie. The woman officer beboano afade amoano memfa because the church members bebre call prophetic meetings, prophetic gatherings. Ebi kura ba.
So
and I was as well be a branch.
Don't be confused by some of these teachings from Reverend Dr. Mensa Otabil, because many of his church members attend prophetic meetings. Some of them even come here. And there is a branch of ICGC.
Was there be a branch?
It's a prophetic church.
I'm the powerful prophet. Prophet Ano. Were you powerful? One of the powerful prophets. Our Ghana. Were be a branch amano. Were in a sofa. Prophet Ano, the sofa penny, and a Dr. Mensa Otabil. As so cassetia prophets. As so be a branch at the prophet at one. Not just I want to open source and say, Papa. Papa, with all respect, Papa, why you can't use your account? Meaning, sir, uncle for the child, media, me boo, but you are going too far. More being Casso Bempah Muadio. Two percent. Which time is a minute? Now on Casa and collapse prophetic move in this nation. I think we're move no back.
Amen.
I think we're prophetic, apostolic.
Amen.
What are you talking about? So we do announcement Sunday.
Please stand on your feet. Put your hands together for the Lord.
Free AM Home Care and Nursing Home. No more sure for my own home care and nursing services, elderly day care, medication management, dementia, and Alzheimer care, physiotherapy services, post-surgery care, illness recovery care. Nina say, Ubusu and Ibuka be our choir Sabian Yina Befi. No free AM Home Care and Nursing Home for ya 24/7. One more Bequaco Crono, a crowd of us who have no more entertaining. No was one acquired Juma.
And AM Home Care and Nursing Home. Na mi pay.
Obutimi crop busu afokra kire wa umu.
Omo wa hefa.
AM Home Care and Nursing Home. E wo Fanko, Accra and Sawom Road. Fra 0540 344 837 and 0207 859995.
Boss.